Welcome to Learn Cebuano Fast. I hope you enjoy our podcast. Please like and subscribe. Let's get on with the show.
What do you think? What is your view?
Unsay imong tan-o? Unsay imong tan-o? Unsay imong tan-o?
What can you say?
Unsay imong ikasulti? Unsay imong ikasulti? Unsay imong ikasulti?
For me, in my opinion.
Para nako. Para nako. Para nako.
I feel that I think that.
Sa akong pamino. Sa akong pamino. Sa akong pamino.
Do you agree?
Uyon ka ba? Uyon ka ba? Uyon ka ba?
I agree with you.
Uyon ko nimo. Uyon ko nimo. Uyon ko nimo.
I do not agree.
Dili ko uyon. Dili ko uyon. Dili ko uyon.
Exactly that's right.
Mao gyud. Mao gyud. Mao gyud.
That is true.
Tinuod na. Tinuod na. Tinuod na.
That is not true.
Dili na tinuod. Dili na tinuod. Dili na tinuod.
Is this okay?
Okay ra ba kini? Okay ra ba kini? Okay ra ba kini?
Is it beautiful nice?
Nindot ba? Nindot ba? Nindot ba?
That is bad ugly.
Bati man na. Bati man na. Bati man na.
It just depends.
Depende ra na. Depende ra na. Depende ra na.
I am not sure.
Dili ko sigurado. Dili ko sigurado. Dili ko sigurado.
To be honest in truth.
Sa tinuod lang. Sa tinuod lang. Sa tinuod lang.
What is better?
Unsay mas maayo? Unsay mas maayo? Unsay mas maayo?
Do you like that?
Ganahan ka ba niya na? Ganahan ka ba niya na? Ganahan ka ba niya na?
I do not care. I have no opinion on that.
Wala ko'y labat. Wala ko'y labat. Wala ko'y labat.
I do not know often used to express uncertainty or lack of opinion.
Ambat lang. Ambat lang. But lang.
I want to share a few quick ways you can accelerate your learning and support the show. First, head over to www.linguafyle.com. That's linguafyle.com to check out our amazing dual reader articles and language learning apps. You can also support the podcast by getting our official companion book to study alongside the episodes. And finally, if you just want to drop a quick tip, please consider donating through the Buy Me a Coffee link in the show notes below. Every little bit helps. All right, are you ready? Let's jump into today's episode.